When the lights are out, my heart is your home. When the stars are crashing, your heart is my own. And it goes on and on and on. Love goes on and on and on. Oh yeah. When the lights are out, my heart is...
Welcome to the revolution of speed and sustainability. This is the all-new 2026 BMW i8, where cutting-edge design meets electrifying performance. The 2026 i8 isn't just a car, it's a statement. With a sleek, low-slung silhouette, butterfly doors, and futuristic lighting, it turns every street into a runway. Beneath the aerodynamic skin, a re-engineered plug-in hybrid powertrain delivers next-gen performance. The new setup combines a turbocharged 2.0-liter engine with an enhanced electric motor, producing a jaw-dropping 480 horsepower. And the acceleration? 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in just 3.8 seconds. But it's not just about power, it's about precision. With an adaptive suspension, intelligent X-Drive all-wheel drive, and a perfect 50 hours 50 minutes weight distribution, the i8 handles like it's reading your mind. Step inside, and you're greeted by a minimalist cockpit with dual curved displays, eco leather, ambient lighting, and a fully AI-integrated infotainment system that adapts to your driving mood. Eco-conscious? Absolutely. The 2026 i8 can run purely electric for short city commutes and recharges in under 2 hours, all while producing ultra-low emissions. The future is here, and it's fast, smart, and unmistakably BMW. Tease a broken bar is the 2026 BMW i8. Born to perform. Designed to inspire.